I wanted to come up with a recipe for National Brownie Day, so I wanted to come up with the perfect brownie recipe. But when I started to do this in the test kitchen with all of our buddies, we started to it was really divisive on whether people liked a fudgy or a cakey brownie, so I decided to come up with the perfect recipe for both a fudgy and a cakey brownie. So we're gonna do both. So we're gonna start out here with the double boiler. I just have some gently heated water with a little bit of a glass bowl on top. Stick of butter. We have 8 ounces of chocolate. And we have 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And the reason I put the sugar in with the butter and the chocolate chips is because the sugar melts, and then when it combines with the egg white and the batter, it makes that crispy, like crackly topping on the brownie.
Yeah, that little extra crispy topping.
Yeah, that's how you get that super crispy top.
So then it all comes together like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna add in 2 eggs.
You want me to whisk that or stir it?
Whisk that up.
Gotcha.
Give it a nice, like, kind of vigorous whisk. You want to combine, like, the egg with the chocolate, because there's a ton of fat in there, and that you really want to make sure that you combine everything and make a nice, smooth batter. And whenever I cook anything with chocolate, I always add a little bit of espresso powder. We're going to use this in both the fudgy and the cakey. And now we're going to start whisking in our dry ingredients. So I have 3/4 of a cup of flour, and we'll just start whisking that in. There we go.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt. And for our leavener, we're only going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. That's all you need for this.
Because you want these really dense.
You want them nice and dense, right?
Right.
So we keep on whisking. Look at that.
We're whisked. It's done.
All right, so then over here I have a glass pan. I lined it with some parchment paper, and I actually use these little binder clips because it makes it stick on there better.
That's clever.
I know. Look at that thick batter. That looks beautiful. And you say you can't bake. Instead of going from the oven onto the countertop to cool them down, we're going to cool them down in the fridge, because that's going to stop the cooking time.
It's like cold shocking your pasta.
Exactly,
Right.
and then they get nice and fudgy. They're almost like fudge. Look at those guys. And we have some
cold
right
shocking
here.
your blanched vegetables, cold shocking anything.
Check those out. It's almost like eating fudge. You can like hear the moistness in it.